To add PowerPoint to LearnWorlds course, start by logging into your LearnWorlds account and navigating to the course where you want to add the PowerPoint presentation. Click on the Build tab and then select the Add Content option. This will take you to a new page where you can choose the type of content you want to add. Select the File option and then click on Upload File. This will allow you to browse your computer for the PowerPoint file you want to add. Once you have selected the file, click on Open to upload it to LearnWorlds. After the file has been uploaded, you can choose to add it as a link or embed it directly into the course. If you choose to embed it, LearnWorlds will convert the PowerPoint file into a format that can be viewed directly within the course. To do this, select the Embed option and then choose the PowerPoint file you uploaded. LearnWorlds will then convert the file and create a new page in your course where the presentation can be viewed. You can customize the presentation by adding audio narration, animations, and other interactive elements. You can also use the LearnWorlds built-in quiz and assessment tools to create interactive quizzes and exams based on the presentation. Best practices for adding PowerPoint to LearnWorlds course include keeping the file size small to ensure it uploads quickly, using clear and concise language in the presentation, and testing the presentation to ensure it works as expected. By following these steps, you can easily add PowerPoint presentations to your LearnWorlds course and create engaging and interactive content for your students. This will help to enhance the learning experience and make your course more effective.